maulan na araw ngayon dito sa aming lugar, dito sa Italy. Since yesterday, umuulan, guys. Yan, and ito naman last vlog natin, bagong gupit ako. So, yan, bagong gupit natin. Bagong gising gupit. Dumi nose. No, daddy. Dirty nose. Okay. More. Sorry. So, be-breakfast kami ni Noah Gabriel. At medyo masama ang pakiramdam nito. Medyo inuubo ng konti. No? Galing siya kahapon sa pedia. At sabi meron daw siyang a little bronchitis. Bronchitis. Yun. So, ngayon meron siyang antibiotic at yung tawag dito? Aerosol. Yung para sa bibig, yung pausok. Kalimutan ko yung tawag sa Tagalog. Ano ba tawag doon? Mamaya at papakita ko sa inyo. Kain muna to ng breakfast. Breakfast muna kami. Show mo yung mo, close open. Close open. Two hands, close open. Close open. Ano yung align, daddy? Align. Antok pa, bagong gising. Naku. Fold natin itong para hindi madumihan. Close open. Close open. More. Align. Malapit ka na mag 1 year old. Sa May. May ang birthday niyan. Malapit na. Ilang buwan na lang. 2. May. Ngayon na mag-April na. May. Yun. Less than 2 months na lang at birthday mo na. At ako din na breakfast din ako, guys. Ito, tayo? Greek style yogurt. Yan, pwede tayo dyan sa Greek style yogurt sa ating diet. Lalagyan lang natin yan ng anong pwede natin ilagay sa Greek style yogurt natin? Pwede natin lagyan yan ng cream ng ng mandorla, almonds cream. Yan, pwede tayo mag-almonds cream. Yan. Yes. Sorry. Galit. Daddy needs to eat also, no? Lagyan din natin ng konting coconut, dito? Flakes. Just a little bit. Yan natin keto breakfast. At meron tayong no sugar chocolate dito. Meron siyang sweetener pero good siya for keto, yung erythritol. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag sa English or sa Tagalog. Pero you can eat this one without the sugar. Like good for diet, no? So yun nga, guys, maulan ngayon. At sarap sana maglakad-lakad outside. Kaya lang maulan. Kaya next time na lang, no? Si Nancy nasa work na, maaga siya pumasok today. 5 in the morning siya pumasok. Kasi meron akong sinusundan na recipe na ginawa namin ni Nancy for the keto diet. And it's effective naman, guys. 2 weeks ko siyang gagawin. I did already 1 week and a half. So, konting araw na lang. Today is Thursday. So, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3 days na lang actually ang natin diet. 4 days, including today. More clear ang mind. lose weight. Yes. From 79, I'm 76 now. And of course, Sunday, we will check again yung ating weight. Nay. And then we'll go to play. We need to do the nebulizer. Yes. Yun yung yung may mga gamot si Dylan from the doctor. Dylan, Noah. May gamot si Noah for the nebulizer. Yan, so yung nebulizer natin yun. Ready na. Niready na ni Nancy. So after natin mag-nebulizer muna si Noah. Usually pag ganitong umaga guys, habang nagbe-breakfast kami, nanonood ako ng balita sa Pinas. So may mga nababalita natin about former President Rodrigo Duterte. And actually nung last Sunday, may big event rally sa Netherlands. Gusto ko sana pumunta, kaya lang wala akong makitang cheap ticket, tsaka naka-hotel. Halos puno na, halos malayo na yung ibang hotel. So, I decided na hindi na lang pumunta. Paalam pa ako kay Nancy. Sabi ko, Nancy, punta akong Netherlands 2 shows support. Sabi niya, yes, of course. You can go. Sabi ko ng ticket and hotel, wala. Difficult. Kasi kung nakita niyo yung rally, maraming Filipino na nandoon from all over Europe. Kasi dito sa amin sa Europe, guys, we can go any place in Europe basta may papers kami. Yeah, may residence permit. Pwede kang magtawid-tawid ng kahit anong bansa dito around Europe, European Union yan. So, madali sa amin makapunta doon. Just bumili ka ng ticket and that's it. Okay, painumin ko muna ng tubig. Okay guys, tapos na kami kumain ni Noah Gabriel. Tapos na ikaw kumain. Nag-iiyak. Ayaw nang kumain pero nag-iiyak. Nag-iiyak ikaw. Nag-iiyak yan. So guys, kailangan niya na mag-nebulizer. Yan. Nebula. Ito, aerosol, ang tawag nila dito sa Italy. Yan. Wala kaming nebulizer guys, hiniram lang namin to sa parents ni Nancy. Pa kami nakabili. So, first time ni Noah Gabriel na magne-nebulize. First time niya. First time mo mag-nebulizer, no? So, ano nga ba to? Okay, tiplahin muna natin yung gamot niya ni Noah. Ito, here. Yan. So, ang sabi sa reseta, ni Noah ay 4 gocce di questo, 4 drops. Ito. 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops lang. Okay. And then, okay, half of this one. Okay. Half lang na to. Half. Half naman. Okay. Of course, water, it's 3 ml. Susukatin natin ito. Physiological water. I mean, for very clean water. Okay. Actually, meron na itong nakatusok na injection kasi ginagamit namin palagi. Ginagamit namin itong tubig na to pag pang nasal wash nila. So 3 ml. This is 2.5 ml. Okay, a little bit more. 5.5 ml more. Okay. First time ni Noah, so hindi ko alam kung anong magiging reaction niya dito. Ito lang maliit ang gagamitin natin. Okay. Ganon din siyang antibiotic. Mahirapan ako nito. Okay, so mga dito po. Hey, God, look, Daddy. Adi. Daddy. See? Define and then. Dito. Kailangan ko yata ng Miss Rachel para ma-disturb siya konti. Lagay tayo ng Miss Rachel dito sa iPad. Hello! Mukhang ayaw guys, mahirapan ako dito. Ayaw niya ng gano'n. Tinatanggal niya. Kaya kasi itong goma eh. Dapat may goma. Ito na pang lagay sa ilong. Wala eh. Palitan natin yung nozzle. Tatakot siya sa ano eh, sa malaking takip sa ilong. Meron dito parang pang ilong lang siya. Yan, parang. Nasa boka. Hello. Mommy just come back. Katulog yan guys. Magigising lang. Yan. Yeah, so try muna tayo ng lunch, no? You like my hair? Who doesn't like my hair? Or who like my hair? You know, next time I will remove the hair. Tama tayo. Guys, a bit late na. Hindi pa nakapag-prepare ng lunch. Ready ba?
Yes. It's the same that just finish at one. So. Gabriel. You want to sing? You want to sing?
Hello.
Hello.
Sauce?
I will do something.
Okay.
I'm tired.
Nancy will take the responsibility. Give me this
Tamale
later.
la testa. No, mamma, chiamami. Però parecchio.
Stanno qui. Close open. So So ito guys, yung panahon dito. Dito natin sa kanila. Yan guys, ang panahon today. Maulan, malamig. Lamig. Kasang ulan. No. No. Daddy Banyata. Here now. Daddy. Hey, open this. No. Please. Cosa?
Che verdura vuoi? Pomodori. Cacciati?
Mangio una cacciopo.
Cacciato?
One cacciopi. Artichokes, guys. Yan. Pagkat natin. Yun, guys. So, si Nancy ay may... gagaling yan sa work. May lesson pa yan. Ngayon, so may lesson yan. Pag di niya kaya maka-attend, ako nag-record ko yung lesson niya online. So, very busy yan. Siya pa magluluto. Siya pa mag-ano. Yes, it's tiring. Anyway, Nancy almost finished this year. She will finish September. October. And she will graduate, but she can still choose to continue to master. I don't know if she will continue. She's still deciding about it, right? Kaya yun, nice. And me, I'm thinking also to find something to study kasi I want to study something like maybe cybersecurity or whatever. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. It's not easy because I think from this moment I will start again from zero. No, I feel like it's too much stress, but I still need to think about it. Yes. Because Noah also will go to school, so we will be a bit free. Or yeah. Or maybe the father of Nancy kasi magpe-pension na yung father ni Nancy. So, meron ng taga-bantay. No? Medyo magkakaroon ako ng time, no, to do something else on a regular basis. Because my life here is regular for now because of the baby. Yes. What do you want? Go to Asilo or go to Nono Rosano? Huh?
No, it's free.
Close open. If it's open, school. Close, Nono Rosano. Hi. Close open. Close. Yun. So, pick up Dylan. Okay. I go pick up Dylan. Yes. Even if it's raining, you just need to breathe some air. Okay, today it's a very, very cold day. It's very difficult to put nebulizer with this baby. So I just put outside like this. Or I think we can put in the mouth, no? Because that one is putting in the mouth, the one that's directly. The square, this one modified.
No, you can put the one that goes in the nose.
Doesn't want this. Or I put just outside to just, just go breathe. Alright, kain na muna kami guys at gutom na kami. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
See?
Ma, tired.
More on tired kasi nga, kaya na sabi ko kanina, she started at 5 in the morning. So, yun. Kaya pagod yan. Ako nasusundo kay Dylan later on. Oh.
Bentrovati.
Buongiorno, maestra.
Adesso si preoccupate perché c'è qualcuno che manca del loro gruppo. Però
The lesson just started. So, kaya naman na kami at magle-lesson si Nancy. Alright.
quello che io vorrei chiedere a voi che siete a
Signora.
casa, che l'altra volta avete semplicemente visto
Signora.
il file che vi sto vedendo sotto gli occhi. Inserire domande, può scrivere 3, 4, perché c'è un po', però non può essere
vado a prendere Kuya Ethan. Guys, so sunduin ko si Dylan. Medyo naulan-ulan. Naulan-ulan. Ulan-ulan. Let's go. 10 degrees.
Autopilot. If you have what you do not want, you have all true. And that's a whole different podcast episode. Not predominant parts of the brain. Then there's the middle brain, the mammalian brain, the limbic system, the emotional part, and it's fight or flight or survival. This
Come stai? Tutto bene? What did you do in the school? You play? Hey! Ciao!
Ciao.
How are you?
Niente.
Huh?
Niente.
Where's Brando? Sleepy na yan, oh, guys. Sleepy. Are you sleepy? You want to sleep?
No.
No. Smile? Ano smile? Pogi? Ano pogi? Ciao, Nyampam. So guys, work muna ako saglit. Okay? Yan, so guys, dito na kami sa bahay. Dilan tulog na. Si Nancy doon na sa lesson pa rin with Noah. Mag-work muna ako saglit kasi kailangan ako tapusin. What are you doing? Wake up na ikaw? What are you doing? What do you want? Nana. Wow, chocolate. Huh? Now sit down in your chair. Sit down in your chair. Tuti Lu eh. Kagigising lang nga. Ano? Dai, one bite to daddy. One bite. One bite to daddy. Musta ang baby? May ubo ang baby. May ubo ang baby. May ubo ang baby. Oh, sinisinok. Drink water. Drink water. No, drink water. Too much water. See, too much water. Okay, antibiotic. Mama will prepare antibiotic. Water. Yum! Ito na yung ano ni Noah, ang kanyang antibiotic. Kanting antibiotic lang. Yeah. Oh. Done.
Mama, dito pinulubos sa mangiare.
Uno solo. Only one. Okay, good pet. Give daddy antibiotic and Noah. Medicine din Noah. Ha?
Un pochino? Okay.
Oop. More. More. Let's try with spoon. Maybe it doesn't like this.
No, it's the same.
Mm.
Yeah.
More. Finish. Oh. Finish. Siyangkora. Pero wala siyang lagnat, guys. May ubo lang siya talaga.
I think it's better.
Bronchitis.
Just after yesterday.
Now in the morning, every time he wakes up, it's like coughing. Glass oven. Dirty nose. Ayaw magpapunas ng nose.
Parlamentare largo pochino.
Che hai fatto a scuola? What did you do in the school? Huh? Hai giocato?
Giochiamo con la palla?
Alright, Nyan Pamso. Let's end the vlog here. Kasi magpe-prepare na tayo ng dinner. Need to tell you the story nung ano niya, yung pedya ni Noah. Napakahirap dito kasi dito sa Italy, hindi ka pwede basta-basta mag-jump ng doctor.
Che bella macchina.
Yeah.
La vuoi Dylan?
No. Doesn't want that car, very small. So, pedya dito sa Italy, guys. Ang mga doktor dito sa Italy is naka-register sa'yo sa name mo. So, hindi ka pwede basta-basta mag-jump ng doktor dito na, okay, this doctor not available, need to go there. On the other doctor, no. Dito, kada isang tao may naka connect na doktor. So, yon. Kaya, medyo nahirapan kami kay Noah kasi yung doktor dito. What happened to the doctor? To the pedia? Yeah, the old woman.
She got a heart attack
Heart attack? She got heart attack.
in October.
Really? I didn't know.
December.
She got heart attack and then there is some substitute.
One guy.
One guy, we did once. And then the next time, no more. And there's a new one.
It's written that there is a woman.
Mm-hmm.
I go to the woman. She told me, no, I'm not the substitute anymore. You need to go to the hospital
To
and
change
change officially the doctor to another doctor.
Yeah. So she's there actually in the clinic, but she cannot do the visit for Noah because we need to change first to the to the hospital
To be officially
to be officially registered to Noah.
But
Yun yung doctor niya. But
she's not because every doctor can have a maximum of 1,000
patients.
So actually she is not available. This one.
Why she have already 1,000?
Yes.
Mama.
So we need to go to another one
Another one.
that we
Okay.
don't know.
That's why it's very difficult. Anyway, guys, yung pedya na nag-check yesterday to Noah is from Monte San Justo, from the other city. The mom of Nancy talked, no, with if she can do because of the ubo, kailangan na ma-check, no? So thankfully yun yung nangyari, na check siya, nabigyan siya ng gamot, nabigyan siya ng ano, yung ano nangyari. Medyo maano dito ang medical, pero maraming support dito for medical. So yun. Nanganak si Nancy 2 times, wala kaming binayaran kahit 5 duling. All free. Yes. So guys, I'll end the vlog here. Maraming salamat sa panonood and thank you very much. Ciao ciao. Yun guys, maraming salamat sa nanonood and see you on the next vlog. Ciao ciao. Say mo ciao ciao.
Ciao.
Kiss. Mwah.